As amazing as smartphones are, we all know how short the battery life is. I can't even get through the day without my phone dying on me. It's frustrating because I use my phone for everything, which is why I use the Charge Hub Go. This is the all-in-one charging solution that can power just about any device on the go. Simply place your device on top of the wireless charging pad and you're ready to go. With its 5,000 milliamp hour battery capability, this slim little device can charge up to 4 devices without the cord chaos or headache of finding an outlet. With its universal capabilities, I can charge all my devices, whether it's my phone, my tablet, even things like headphones and speakers. The patented Smart Speed technology is great for regulating the charge depending on what I'm charging. It also helps provide the fastest possible charge for any of your devices. Because it is the slimmest 5,000 milliamp hour wireless portable charger in the market, I can easily fit the power bank in my pocket and I can charge my phone on the go. Undergoing the most stringent testing to secure multiple product quality, safety, and durability certifications, the Charge Hub Go has quickly become a reliable option for smartphone users everywhere.
This thing is a lifesaver. You can charge up to 4 items at once. This is insane.
I use this when I'm traveling for work. It charges super fast. I can put it in my pocket. As you can see, it fits in my hand.
This thing is absolute powerhouse. It's amazing. My phone lasts an extra couple charges just by having this guy around.
So if you're tired of always having to find an open outlet or you can't stand the cord chaos of power banks, you need the Charge Hub Go.
We've all been there before. You're browsing the web, minding your own business, when all of a sudden the screen turns black. In the blink of an eye, all the photos, videos, and memories saved on your computer are gone, and there's no way to get them back. If you're like me, this is a nightmare. Now I don't have to worry about my computer crashing because I have the photo stick. So unlike any USB drive, the photo stick sorts and backs up all your photos with a click of a button.
You press go, it searches your computer for all the files that you would want to back up and then saves them over. If you've already done it, it even checks to make sure you don't get duplicates.
I don't even have to open folders or tabs. PhotoStick does it all. It starts working as soon as I plug it in. It stores up to 60,000 photos and videos, so all the memories of the kids or family are forever saved in this little portable device.
And it also frees up your space that your computer gets clogged with.
And just like a normal USB drive, you can easily plug in the photo stick in your laptop or computer whenever you want to look back and reminisce, or if you like scrapbooking, like me.
Saves my life to know that I don't have to replace some of those pictures of my nephew and niece.
If you want to store all your photos in a safe and reliable place, I highly recommend the photo stick.
Whether you're traveling overseas, hiking, or camping, you want to make sure your sunglasses and eyeglasses are always clean. The new Carbon Clean Peeps, they're designed specifically for cleaning eyeglasses, sunglasses, and reading glasses. This thing is actually super cool.
This is the best thing ever. It never scratches or damages your lenses. No messy sprays or dirty cloths, because you know we hate those. The brush is there to wipe off any debris that you may have, and then the other side, it'll clean every nook and cranny right on your glasses. It's simple, it's easy, and it works.
So we're bringing you space-age carbon technology in the most sophisticated glasses cleaner you've ever seen. Inside the cap is a recharge station. So you see that little surface, that little horizontal surface in there? Every single time the Peeps go back into their cap and come back out again, it actually recharges the carbon molecules right here on the microfiber pads, so you're getting a fresh, cleaning surface every single time to keep your lenses super, super clean.
Peeps Lens Cleaner. So this will actually clean the eyeglasses. This is one of the most popular products that we have. We're in over 12,000 practices right now. Use the brush first to get everything off the lens, then you simply clean the lens.
Safely and easily clean your glasses with Peeps by Carbon Clean. See what you've been missing with Peeps by Carbon Clean.
This thing is so easy to use. I literally just put my phone right there. I was able to focus on my driving without looking away at my phone. I can't imagine ever driving without this thing ever again. I love it. My eyes don't have any trouble seeing this at night. I am so glad that I don't have to be looking down at my phone right now. All right, let's head back.
I'm gonna show you something that I just got, and my friend doesn't believe me that it helps me drive safer, but it really does. So it's this little device I put on my dashboard. It's called the visor, and essentially you just put your little phone right here, and it reflects up at that see-through window.
And it helps me to keep my eyes on the road. It really stops distracted driving.
I just got this new thing called Visor. Basically, I can put my phone right on the dash there, handles my navigation, can show me my speed. I can keep my eyes on the road. I don't have to look around or stare at my phone while it's on the navigation.
I hate when people are distracted driving around me. You can always see them. They swerve a little bit in the lanes and they're looking down at their phone. And it's not good for anybody, and there's a ton of accidents from it. So I want to put my money where my mouth is and make sure I'm driving safely. So I got this, and you can put your phone right into the little slot there, and it just reflects back with that see-through mirror there. And so you can see the road, you can see the phone, you can see your navigation without ever having to look down, and it makes me feel a lot safer.
It makes me feel so much safer than looking at my phone.
Basically, it just keeps me safe while I'm driving. I don't look down at my phone. It's
This little thumb drive has an entire operating system on it, meaning it's going to run your whole computer off the thumb drive instead of using the old slow operating system that is on your computer. It's going to bypass it. This is a worst case scenario. This has a crashed hard drive. So this is beyond slow. This one actually can't boot up at all because the hard drive is completely crashed. Now watch what happens here. I'm going to go down here and I am going to shut this laptop off. And then I'm going to take the little extra extra PC, and I'm going to put out the little USB. I'm going to plug it in right there. And now we're going to come back again, and I'm going to hit that power up button. And now watch what happens. This laptop that couldn't even run a minute ago is going to come to life. And it's going to come to life because of Extra PC. It's running the entire operating system, the whole laptop, right off the little USB from
Wow, look
Extra
how
PC.
fast that was. I mean, that was literally seconds and so easy to use.
So not minutes of waiting trying to get your laptop to boot up. Now it's like 20, 30 seconds, and bam, there's that desktop. Exactly what you need, there it is, to run your entire computer. You want an office suite? It's on there. You want to do your email? It's on there. You need a browser to browse the internet? It's on there. Everything is there. So you can take the slowest computer and you can bring it back to life and do it with Extra PC and a Linux operating.
This is Better Back. It allows you to effortlessly sit in perfect posture, easing back pain, and training yourself how to sit. Use it when you're sitting at your desk, on an airplane, watching a game, or even when you meditate. Basically, use it anytime you have to sit. You don't have to go far to find people with bad posture or back pain. A friend, a parent, someone you work with, or even people you meet product testing around San Francisco every Friday. Here's what people think about Better Back. So let's have them elaborate.
It feels it feels awesome. It's so easy to just sit up straight. This could sound weird, but I can like feel my body, you know? I can feel my organs not being squished.
I can feel that it's right here, but it's not like, oh, I have all this on me. It's just like I am just like relieved, pain-free.
I'm sitting straight upright. It's like it forces your torso to stay upright. Where can I get one of these? Can I have this one?
Simple, it's easy. I put it on and I feel immediate relief.
So that's how it feels, and this is how it's actually helping.
Better Back gives you better posture. It allows you to not fatigue the muscles that you use when you're sitting down. So when you do stand up, your posture is literally changed. Good posture can change who you are. It affects your attitude, it affects your decision making. Good posture changes who you are literally.
Sitting correctly over time does more than stop slumping stress on your spine. It also retrains your body's natural default posture, so whether you're standing or sitting without Better Back, your posture is greatly improved. Let me show you how it works. Better Back zips itself into a portable case. Throw it in your bag and unpack it when you're ready to sit. wrap the back pad around your back and the knee straps around your knees. All there's left to do is to pull on the adjustable leg straps to stack your spine into perfect posture. So if you're going to spend 9 hours of your day sitting, you might as well be doing it right. When you're pain-free and your body is perfectly aligned, you feel happier, more confident, and you regain your ability to focus on whatever it is you want out of life.
You want to stay cool when you're feeling hot, but running your air conditioner all day costs a lot. Fans are bulky and just blow hot air in your face. There has to be a better way to cool down your place. Introducing the totally new and improved Arctic Air Ultra. Now better than ever with 2 times the cooling power. It's the personal space cooler that transforms hot spaces into cool, refreshing places for just pennies a day. Whether you want to stay cool in a hot kitchen or nice and comfy while watching TV, just add water and press the button. Then relax and enjoy the cooling breeze. Arctic Air Ultra's compact and lightweight design means you can enjoy cool, fresh air anywhere. Even the intense heat of this blow dryer reads at 96 degrees. But with the Arctic Air Ultra, it's a comfortable 72. The secret is HydroChill technology, which uses our advanced evaporative air cooling filter and our enhanced cool mist chamber that pulls in hot air and instantly transforms it into cool, refreshing air. The Whisper Quiet fan circulates the air up to 10 hours on just one filling. What a great way to cool off in your bedroom without air conditioning your entire home. Arctic Air also purifies and humidifies your air, so it's better for you and your family. And it's the ideal solution for staying cool at the office. Plus, you can even beat the heat outdoors and enjoy a cool, refreshing breeze even on the hottest day. Arctic Air Ultra, now better than ever with 2 times the cooling power.